Now tell me, which article we use before the word honest? Okay. Okay. Very good. Someone tell me that because of sound we use "and" there. Okay. Good. When we pronounce this word, we never pronounce it honest. We pronounce it honest. So when we pronounce it, we pronounce vowel here. Honest. A. Vowel A or A is used here. H is silent here. So we use "and" before the word honest. In the same way, we use here "an a," or you can say "an avo." In both pronunciation, we pronounce vowel sound there. Avo. H is silent here. We never pronounce it as hover. Getting? "An ma." When we pronounce it, there is no pronunciation of y. It is a. We called it ma. A pronunciation is there. So we use "an" before ma. An ma. I am an ma. Then an fir. An fir. We pronounce here not f, it is f. So pronunciation, because of pronunciation we use "and." These are the exception when we use a. Okay. Here European, we use a European or an European. What should we use? A European or an European? An European. Okay. Is there another answer? An European. Okay. We never use here "an." Why? Because E is silent here. When we pronounce E, we pronounce it as a. E-N-D, end. End. We pronounce E as end. Okay. We pronounce it as a. But here E is silent and pronunciation is European. Y. Y is consonant sound. That's why I am telling you sound word is most important, not letter. Though it start with vowel letter, but the pronunciation is of consonant sound. That's why we use here a, not an. I saw a European. Getting? Same way, university. A university, though the letter U, or you can say the vowel is used here, but pronunciation is y. University. Y is a consonant sound. That's why we use a. Same. A union. Which article we use here, a or an? A unseen or an unseen? An unseen or a unseen? A. Okay. A unseen is wrong. We use here an unseen. Always remember, when U is pronounced as a, then we have to use article an, and when U is pronounced as y, we use article a. Consonant letter and vowel sound. Sorry, consonant sound and vowel sound. Always remember, when we pronounce unseen, we pronounce vowel sound here. An unseen passage. Okay. A university, a union. Here pronunciation is y, and here pronunciation is a. That's why we use a before consonant sound and an before vowel sound. Getting? Now it is clear where we use a and where we use an. Is it clear now? Okay. Now the next article is definite article the. Where we use the, do you know? See, the is used before superlative degree. Before superlatives, okay? Before superlatives. For example, before superlatives, the is used before superlatives. It means the tallest, the strongest, the brightest, the cutest. Getting? Superlative. Before superlatives, the biggest. Very good. Very good. The is used before superlatives. For example, the biggest, the tallest. Then next, before unique things. Before unique things or unique objects. Unique objects or unique things. The moon. Very good. The moon, the sun, the earth, the galaxy. Good. The earth, the galaxy, etc. Then the we used before directions. Directions. The east, the west, the south, the north. Okay, the southeast, the northeast, etc. Then before the names of musical instruments. Before the names of musical instruments. Musical instruments. The piano, very good. The guitar, good. The guitar, the piano, the flute, very good. The bagpipe, very good. The veena, very good, very good. Before musical instruments. Then before the names of holy books. Before the names of holy books. Holy books. The Ramayana, very good. The Mahabharata, the Bible, good. The Tripitaka, etc. Holy books. Then before ordinal numbers. Before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. The first, the second, the third, etc. Then before geographical phenomena. The next is before geographical phenomenon. Before the names of geographical phenomenon. In it, number 1, the names of river. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Godavari, the Nile, etc. Then before the names of mountains. Bola? The Himalaya, very good. Then the Himalaya, the Alps, etc. Then deserts, before the names of deserts. Deserts, the Thar, the Sahara, very good. Then before the names of sea, canals, channels, or ocean. Sea, channels, canals, ocean. The Pacific Ocean, the Arabic Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, then the Gulf of Mexico. आखात आपण म्हणतो Gulf. Gulf is also included here. The Gulf of Mexico. Then etc. Okay. Before the names of geographical phenomenon. Then with the titles. टायटल्स म्हणजे उपाधी ज्या असतील त्या उपाधीच्या आधी पण आपण काय करतो, द वापरतो. विथ द टायटल्स or with titles. For example, the Queen. Getting? Then with the names of, then we use the with the names of newspaper, hotels. With the with the names of newspaper, hotels, museums, etc. For example, the Sakal, very good. Very good. The Sakal, the Lokmat, the Times of India, the Indian Express, etc. Good. Then when we want to give historical reference, आपल्या ज्यावेळेला ऐतिहासिक कालावधी जेव्हा सांगायचा असेल त्यावेळेला सुद्धा आपण द वापरतो हिस्टॉरिकल रेफरन्समध्ये. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द रिनेसान्स इव्हेंट. Renaissance, this is the period of English literature. When we want to give that information, or when we want to give its reference, then we use the. For example, the Renaissance. Okay, the Renaissance. The Elizabethan theatre. Okay, before the names of newspaper, hotels, theatres, etc. The historical research, very good. Then we use the before the group of nation or countries, you can say. Group of nations. Group of nation. For example, the USA, the UAE. USA, United States of America. There are 7 states comes together. At that time we call it USA. Then the UAE, संयुक्त अरब अमिराती, युनायटेड अरब इमिराती, आहे की नाही. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी 5 स्टेट्स जे आहेत ते एकत्र आलेले आहेत संयुक्त अरब अमिरातीमध्ये. म्हणून त्याला ज्या वेळेला ते एकत्रित येतात त्याला आपण त्याच्या आधी आपण द वापरतो. द USA, द UAE. गेटिंग? द इंडिया, नो. याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे प्रांत एकत्र आलेले आहेत म्हणून त्याला आपण द वापरतो त्याच्या आधी. वेगवेगळे प्रांत एकत्र येऊन मग कलेक्टिवली त्याला USA म्हटलं जातं. आणि भारतामध्ये घटक राज्य ते बनलेली आहेत. गेटिंग? हां, बिफोर द when we want to consider the whole family, at that time we use the Vermas, the Sharmas. When we want to include, or you can say when we want to show the whole family, at that time we also use the Sharmas, the Gandhis, the Verma, etc. Okay, in this way we use articles a, an and the. Getting?